Two search and rescue workers spotted downed plane. From Ryan, the bearing to the crash site is south 46 degrees east. So here's Ryan off from south. We measure to the east by 46 degrees. Brittany is 4,000 feet due east of Ryan, so she's over here, 4,000 feet. And the bearing to the crash site for her is south 20 degrees west. Okay, so over here we got the crash site. How far is each rescue worker from the crash site? So we'll call this distance X and this distance Y, and we want to try and find those. Well, we don't have angles inside this triangle that we formed, but we could easily get those because this needs to add up to 90. So this one must be 44 degrees to add up to 90, and this was 20, so this one must be 70 degrees. Now we have angle, side, angle, and so we could get at these two missing sides using the law of sines, but first we need that third angle in the triangle. So we could take 180, subtract the 70 and the 44, and find out that that angle is 66 degrees. Now we can set up the law of sines. Let's find x first. So we have x over the sine of the angle opposite x, which is 70, equals 4,000 over the sine of the angle opposite the 4,000, which is 66 degrees. All right, so we will get the calculator, and first we'll multiply the sine 70 over here. We're in degrees, and we have 4,000 sine of 70, finish the angle, divided by the sine of 66, and it looks like we get 4,114. We're going to round them to the nearest foot. So 4,114 feet from Ryan to the crash site. And now let's go ahead and figure out what y is. It's y over the sine of the angle opposite it, which is 44 degrees, equals, we still have our 4,000 over the sine of 66 degrees. We'll multiply the sine of 44 over there. So we get our calculator again, and we do 4,000 times the sine of 44 divided by the sine of 66 degrees. And it looks like that is to the nearest foot 3,042. So the distance from Brittany to the crash site is about 3,042 feet.